In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a CapCut PC template longer. If you need to extend your CapCut PC template so it can hold longer video clips or a longer music track, this is one of the easiest ways to do it. The goal is simply to increase the total duration of the template and then make sure all the related layers match that new ending point, so everything stays clean and works properly when the template is used. First, load your template editing timeline. Open the template draft project file you want to edit by double-clicking it. Once it opens, move your attention down to the timeline workspace at the bottom of the screen. From here, drag the timeline zoom bar so you can zoom out. This is important because you want a clear view of the full project, especially the end boundary of all the media layers. When you can clearly see where every track ends, it becomes much easier to extend the template accurately without missing anything. Next, lengthen the actual template duration. If your main layer is a static photo or a background graphic, move your cursor to the outer right edge of the clip on the first track until the double arrow resize cursor appears. Then click and hold and drag that edge to the right until the clip reaches the new length you want. This works well for still images and graphic elements because they can usually be extended very easily. If your main clip is a video segment and it cannot simply be stretched, select the clip first. Then go to the top right settings area, open the Speed tab, and reduce the speed to 0.8x or even 0.5x. Slowing the clip down increases its runtime, which is a simple way to make the template longer while keeping that same clip in place. Just be sure the slower speed still looks natural for your project. After that, align all of the secondary layers. This part matters because if only the main clip is extended, the rest of the template may stop too early. Check your text stickers, background music, visual effects, filter layers, and any other elements in the upper tracks. Hover over the right edge of each layer and drag it outward so it reaches the same new endpoint as the main clip. Try to make every layer snap to that exact same end marker. That way the whole template stays synchronized and polished. Once everything ends at the same point, your longer template is ready. When someone uses it, CapCut will allow longer placeholder clips to fill the full extended duration. And that's it, you're all set.